Ever wondered what's inside your computer? Let's take a closer look at the key components and find out what each one does. From the brain of your computer to the power supply, every part plays a crucial role in making your device run smoothly. First up is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. This is often referred to as the brain of the computer. It handles all the instructions it receives from the software and hardware. The faster the CPU, the faster your computer can process tasks. Next is the motherboard. This is the main circuit board that connects all the parts of your computer. The CPU, memory, storage, and other components communicate through the motherboard. Now let's talk about RAM, or random access memory. Think of RAM as your computer's short-term memory. It stores data temporarily while you're working on tasks, allowing for faster access to information. The more RAM you have, the more programs you can run at the same time without slowing down. For storing all your files, music, and photos, you need a storage drive. There are two main types: hard disk drives, HDD, and solid-state drives, SSD. HDDs are mechanical drives that store data on spinning disks. They're more affordable, but slower. SSDs are faster and more reliable since they store data electronically with no moving parts. Next, we have the GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, also called a graphics card. The GPU is responsible for rendering images, video, and animations. If you're into gaming, video editing, or graphic design, a powerful GPU is a must. Your computer needs power to function, and that's where the power supply unit, PSU, comes in. It converts electricity from your wall socket into a form your computer components can use. As your computer works hard, it generates heat. The cooling system prevents it from overheating. It can include fans, heat sinks, and even liquid cooling in more advanced setups. Proper cooling is crucial for maintaining performance and longevity. Lastly, let's not forget about input and output devices. Input devices like your keyboard and mouse allow you to send information to the computer. Output devices like monitors and printers display or produce information from the computer. All of these components need to be protected and organized, and that's the job of the computer case. It houses all the parts and often includes ports for connecting peripherals like USB drives and headphones. And there you have it. These are the main parts that make your computer run. From the CPU processing your commands to the GPU handling visuals, every component plays a role in delivering the performance you expect. Now that you know what does what in your computer, you're ready to dive even deeper into the world of technology. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks.